Hey guys, Matt Jones in Masan. It's time for a snack on the streets, and here's the cook. She's getting some water ready for ramen, and you can see this space is so comprehensively used. She's got the ramen in the boot of in the front of her truck, which is just there. Provides the kitchen, and then awnings from the tarps stretched out into the dining room. It's great to see different people cook, just to see how they prepare the food. So it's almost like going camping on the streets. So she's putting water onto the stove. You can see the gas burner just there, and then she prepares the ramen. Nothing special there. But I'll just give you a quick look at what's here in the meantime. This is basically street eating, where the footpath becomes the dining room floor. So she gets some spring onions. She's chopping that up, and meanwhile the water's in the boil with the noodles and the spices in there from the packet, and then the spring onions go into the water. Nothing special. Just curious to see what else she adds. This is the interesting thing. You can see the fridge she's just gone to. So she's got a fridge, deep freezer. All things that come off probably this truck. So this tray top is actually put on as this is put on. It's actually welded on. You can see here. So it's actually a fixture. So I don't know where she stows the refrigerator, but the power looks like it's from drawing from the mains. And there's a pretty big freezer in that in the top shelf of that fridge there. So she's getting some kimchi. Yeah, it's kimchi. So yeah, got kimchi or no? So here's a big tub of kimchi which came out of this fridge there, and table's been set. I mean, look, here's the cupboard and everything. So it's cooking away, and she gets the bowl. Nothing particularly special. An egg. The egg goes in straight into the bowl, unscrambled. So it's interesting. I've seen the egg put into. Now she scrambles it. Yeah. All right. So she scrambles the egg. I wonder how she's going to do that. Testing the noodles. So this is easier to make. I guess it makes instant noodles a little bit more interesting. All you need: instant noodles, a bit of spring onion, and egg, which you beat. She's testing the noodles, and she's almost ready. And then you can see it's right in the boil there. Probably just make it out. So you've got boiled eggs here and udang. The amount of water she uses is also.
예, 됐어.
정말 드세요.
마산 스테이션.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
네, 반갑습니다.
반갑습니다.
네.
Good evening.
네네.
됐어.
And so the egg's just been put in. going to let it sit for, here we go, just give it a little gentle stir, not too much of a stir. So that's less than 30 seconds, it's about 20-30 seconds. Straight into the bowl and we're done. Bit of water maybe just to keep the bowl clean, I imagine. Or maybe she's making ramen for herself too. Not quite sure. But I think that's I've been called. I'm going to enjoy this, guys. 잘 먹겠습니다.
네.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
There it is, guys. And there it is here. Ramen.